Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open WhatsApp on your phone and look for the Chats tab at the bottom. Tap Chats to see your conversations and choose the chat that contains the message. Scroll to locate the specific message you want to mark. Tap and hold the message until the action bar appears at the top of the screen. Use the star icon on the action bar to mark the message as starred. The app confirms the star visually and stores the message for quick access later. To star a message, press and hold the message until options appear at the top. Tap the star icon in the action bar to mark the message as important. You can star any type of content, including text, images, and voice notes. Starred items are stored separately from chat history for faster retrieval. You can star multiple messages in the same chat or across different conversations. Starring does not change message delivery or note. Open WhatsApp and access the main menu to find starred messages quickly. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Choose starred messages to view all items you have marked across chats. On iPhone, go to Settings and select starred messages or open chat info for that conversation. Tap any starred item to jump directly to its place in the chat. Use this list to manage, forward, or unstar messages efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.